How's it going, guys? Welcome back. We have the iPhone 15 unboxing in the pink and in the blue. I am so excited. I've been dying to open this and I'm so glad to get it relatively soon, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of the iPhone 15 in the pink and in the blue. Let's get into it. Right, guys, so we're going to just jump right into the unboxing, and I think we're going to start off with the pink and then move on to the blue. I believe these are two of the more popular colors. So obviously I didn't get every single color. I've chosen my two favorite colors out of the bunch. You can get blue, pink, yellow, green, and black. And we're going to start off with the blue iPhone and then move on to the pink. So we're going to move that to the side, and we're going to start off with the blue. All right, let's get right into it. So we have the two pieces, and we're just going to do that as... All right, guys, here we go. And there it is. We have the blue. Look at her. Wow, that is absolutely stunning, guys. Look at that. That she looks very close to white. It's very faded blue. And we've got the rounded edges. And we've got the screen protector. Look at that, guys. Isn't she beautiful? So we're going to move the box to the side, and we're going to do the screen protector. Are we ready, guys? Oh, that is absolutely stunning. And we're going to have a quick look at what we get in the box here. So we obviously get the brand new USB-C, guys. We've got USB-C, and it's got the nice new cord, which hopefully means it's going to last a lot longer. I don't believe they come in particularly matching color, but it's a nice braided cord, so that way it's hopefully going to last a lot longer. And we also get designed by Apple in California. Right here, guys, and I'm sure we get some, so we get the SIM card removal tool, some instructions, and we do get the Apple stickers. Can't tell if that's a matching color or not, but still very nice. Apple stickers, very nice. And that's all you get in the box these days, guys. You don't get headphones, you don't get charging ports. So we have the pink in front of us, guys. Without further ado, we're going to open this bad boy up, and we have a nice easy little tear pieces here. And we're going to open that right now. Oh yes, I must say the pink does look very nice. It's a much more vibrant color than the blue. The blue looks very white. Whereas I must say the pink is looking rather beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. What is your favorite color? I'd love to hear what you guys think is your favorite color. But we'll just have a look here at the beautiful iPhone. And the pink is the iPhone 15. And of course we get another braided cable. And not matching colors or anything. And then we get the stickers. And we have the big reveal, guys. We're going to open up the... And there we go. Oh. And there she is, guys. The pink in all the glory. I must say the pink is very nice. Big fan of the pink, to be perfectly honest. We're just going to place that to the side. So there we have it, guys. We have the iPhone 15 in the pink and in the blue. I must say the colours are very nice. The blue is not as vibrant as I would have liked. The pink has a bit more tinge to it. The other thing, the new iPhone 15, they have the matte finish glass backs that have the colour infused into them, which is a really cool feature because it gives it that really nice colour, and that's why you're actually starting to get these more natural colours. And that's possibly why they've gone. I don't know why they've gone for necessarily a faded look, but they're built into the glass, which I think is really nice. Now, of course, the iPhone does come with some brand new features. Unlike with the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus, the iPhone 15 now has the dynamic island, which is a great feature that people who had the Pro got to use, and now they've brought that to the iPhone 15, which I think is a great new feature, and that is something that developers have been using for a while now and can develop it into more and more apps, making it more and more user-friendly and just something you're going to use in your everyday to-day use on your phone. The brand new iPhone 15 comes with the new 48 megapixel main camera, and it has the 2x telephoto lens as well. The new cameras also come with a new portrait mode and has a new night mode as well to take better photos in those dimmer or darker settings, or obviously at nighttime. It has a great new feature which makes the quality look a lot better, more vibrant, and especially in low light conditions, that is a huge plus. Another really cool new feature that they've brought to the camera is you can change the focus point in post. So if you look at this example here, if they've taken the photo and they've focused on one person, you can actually change the focus point to the person behind in post. Really cool feature. Now the iPhone 15 does come with the A16 chip. This has a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU, so it's going to be much better. It's going to help save on energy, making the battery last longer, and it's a great new feature that they've brought all to the base model of the iPhone 15, which I think is great value for money. If you're not wanting to spend a crazy amount of money, then the iPhone 15 is for you, because it still comes with amazing features, but not all those extra features that you may not want for that extra money. Right guys, that was the iPhone 15 unboxing of the pink and the blue. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite color. I'm really curious to know which iPhone you'll be getting, and if you plan to get one, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos of the iPhone 15 in all its glory. Peace.